Hello, I'm in a 2015 Nissan Altima and I'm going to show you how to pop the trunk open. So a couple ways. If you've got your key handy, you're going to just see a button right on here for the trunk, and then as it says hold, you just press and hold, and then you'll hear it pop open. It should have been long enough. And then alternatively, if you're in the vehicle over here, you'll see these buttons, but right below you're going to see this button here. All models should have something similar to this. And same thing, you just push it and then hear pop if as it opens, and then it's just a matter of walking back and open it. And if neither of those work, and maybe you have some sort of issue with like the little connection, I'll go show you what mine looks like. Maybe just needs cleaned a little bit extra love to get popped open and make sure there's nothing holding up the latch. So this would be what's being released as it connects right here in the middle. So worst case, if you can't get those others, there's a hood or a trunk release here. So you would just pull this as it says, but no matter getting in there, you'd have to go in through the back here. There's like a little bit dark since everything's black, but right in here there's a way you could get in by taking apart the back row seat and climbing through, which hopefully you don't have to do all that. Hopefully just something simple of getting this cleaned up a little bit, and then you'd be all set. But anyways, I hope this was helpful. I hope you have a great day.